Hey guys, it's your girl Nida and I'm the hair goddess. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the MegaGrowth Anti-Damage No-Lie Relaxer.
Let's go! I'ma keep winning till the world stops spinning. I'ma keep winning till the world stops spinning. I'ma keep winning till the world stops spinning. I'ma keep winning till the world stops. Independent women, let's go! Keep it up for me, come on. Winning till the world stops spinning.
I love this relaxer with all my heart, and why I love it is because it has an advanced strengthening and protection formula that keeps the hair healthy and prevents breakage, dryness, split ends that comes as a result of relaxing. So this formula further enhances the elasticity of the hair, making you to have that beautiful, straight, sleek, healthy, relaxed hair that you desire. So let's get right into the unboxing process. These are 4 variants of the MegaGrowth No-Lie Relaxer. What I love about these relaxers is the fact that it has an advanced strengthening and protection formula that protects the hair and infuses protein and conditioners into the hair while relaxing. That makes the hair healthier and stronger. The first relaxer here is the MegaGrowth No-Lie One Complete Touch-Up Relaxer. This is the regular strength, and I would open it up so we see what is inside. So this is the cream activator, and the step 1 being the cream relaxer. Step 2 is the neutralizing shampoo, and step 3 is the leave-in strength. So this is the complete relaxer application. Now I have observed that there is an instructional guide here, so let's see what we have in this instructional guide. We have 2 spatulas right here, so you can use this to mix the activator and the cream relaxer together. So you don't have to use your hand or your comb, just use the spatula. And there are gloves right in here for protection. This is the instructional guide. So this would guide you on do's and don'ts, timing guide, how to mix the relaxers, how to neutralize it, and how to strengthen it. All the steps you need to follow in using the anti-damage no-lie relaxer. So like I said earlier, this is the first step. You mix these 2. Then after relaxing your hair, you neutralize with neutralizing shampoo, also called the damage-free gel. It strengthens and restores the hair. So this is the shampoo that helps to stop the relaxing effect of the hair. After which you apply the daily leave-in strengthener. This infuses protein and moisture to your hair and keep your hair looking healthy and stronger. So this is for the one touch-up. I'll just start that up and then move to the second one. Now over to the 6-pack 6 touch-up. this variant, it comes in two strengths, the super strength and the regular strength. So this is the regular and then the super sachet.
Thank you guys for sticking with me as I unboxed the 4 variants of MegaGrowth No Lie Relaxer. What I observed is that in every pack of MegaGrowth Relaxer, there is a neutralizing shampoo. And the neutralizing shampoo corresponds the amount of relaxer sachets that you have in there. That means for every touch-up, you have a shampoo to wash your hair, which is the best thing to do whenever you relax your hair. You always need a neutralizing shampoo. So do not forget that. I'd like you to share your experience with me in the comment section. If you've used the MegaGrowth Relaxer before, the 1 pack, the 2, 6 and 7 pack, let me know how it went. Let me know how the relaxing process went in the comment section below. I also did a video on how to relax hair right. So if you've not seen the video, I'd like you to go see that video right now. So the 6 and 7 pack goes for people that have a lot of women in their houses like me. We are 10 girls, you know. And stylists that want to have relaxers in the salon for the clients. So you can have this 6 or 7 pack relaxer right there. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'd like you to share your experience with me in the comment section. Like, share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.